This question is from GATE 2014, Mechanical Engineering Paper Sec 2, question number 23. The following 4 unconventional machining processes are available in a shop floor. The most appropriate one to drill a hole of square cross section of 6 mm by 6 mm and 25 mm deep is. Let's see which process will be the most suitable to drill this hole. Cross section given is square. Of course, it's a non-circular cross section but has regular shape. So non-circular, regular shape. Let's look at the size given. Size of the hole given is 6 mm by 6 mm. Of course, it's a square cross section. Each of the sides is 6 mm long and the depth given is 25 mm. So we can see that although it's not a micro hole which have diameters less than 3 mm, but the size is narrow. Now, among the given options, the most appropriate for drilling this hole will be electro-discharge machining or EDM, as EDM is appropriate for drilling blind complex cavities, micro holes, narrow slots. Also, EDM is most appropriate when it comes to cutting of non-circular holes. Owing to all these situations in which electro-discharge machining is appropriate, we can say our answer is electro-discharge machining. Let's go back and mark the correct option. Electro-discharge machining is mentioned in option D. It's the correct one. To learn about electro-discharge machining in detail, you can refer to the NPTEL video, Lecture 39, Electro-Discharge Machining, from the course Lecture Series on Manufacturing Processes 2. This course is by Professor A.B. Chattopadhyay, Professor A.K. Chattopadhyay and Professor S. Paul. They are from Department of Mechanical Engineering of IIT Kharagpur. I hope this explanation will help you clear your doubt. Thank you.